Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing this look, which is both the hair and makeup inspired from Aishwarya Rai Khan's 2014 outing. Like, she wore this golden Robert Cavalier gown and she was looking like, oh my god, out of this world. So I tried to recreate that for you all. If you like what I'm wearing and you want to know how to do this, like both the hair and makeup, then please keep on watching and the hair would start now. So to start off the tutorial, like the hair part of it, you want to take out a middle parting and you want to comb through your hair so that you don't have any knots or anything, and you want to divide your hair into two sections like so. I'm going to be taking these foam rollers. What they look like is something like this, and they're like bendable and they just close in like this. I have also used this in my hair curling tutorial. So I'm going to be using 12 of these. I have one in purple and one in red. Purple one is a bit thicker and the red one is a bit tighter. So I'm going to be using alternatives of this, like one thick, one thin, to get textured curls like Aishwarya has. So I'm just going to show you how I'm going to do it. She has curls which are away from the face. So I'm going to take a section right here with which have my bangs and a little bit more hair than my bangs, because her hair is like that. So you want to take your bangs and a little bit more with that. You want to take a thicker roller and you want to curl your hair away from your face. So you are actually curling like this. If you are using a curling iron, then also you want to curl it away from your face. So I'm just going to hold the rod, like the rod that I have, and I'm going to curl my hair like this. Don't worry if your bangs are like coming out of it or anything, because it's just a messy textured waves. So next I'm going to be using a thinner curler, and I'm going to pick up a section of hair and I'm just going to curl it up again like till the top part of my hair. The curls are supposed to be away from the face. So next I'm going to take a thicker curler again, taking a section and curling my hair away from the face. My hair, and then I'll return to show you the final steps. So this is what my hair looks like. It's like, I don't know what it's like. So I'm going to be using Nova Salon tested natural hold hairspray for long lasting hold. It has UV filters and Pro Vitamin B5 and stuff. So I'm just going to shake it up a bit, and then I'm going to spray it on my hair from a distance so that, you know, my curls like hold, like they hold. Because I know my hair type, it's like the most horrible thing on earth. It won't hold curls. So I'm just going to spray from a distance. You want to close your eyes when you do this, because if it gets into your eyes, you're like I'm blind. So yeah, you want to do it from a distance and you want to close your eyes as well. And you don't want to spray much as well, because it would be, you know, your hair would get heavy if you spray too much of it. So just make sure that you spray just as much as you need. So now I'm just going to sleep upon it, and I'll see you in the morning with the makeup tutorial. So keep on watching for the makeup part. Please don't mind my epic hair, as you know that I slept over it, and you know we're going to open it after the makeup tutorial. So I'm going to start with the makeup. The first thing I'm going to be using is Laura Mercier Concealer Undercover 4 in the shade, like this is Undercover 4, like they have shades like 4, Undercover 3, Undercover 2, stuff like that. So I'm just going to use Laura Mercier's concealer to conceal any spots that need concealing. Next, I'm going to use Calvin Klein Infinite Hydration in the shade Caramel. I'm in the shade Caramel, and I'm going to take that up with a Real Techniques buffing brush, and I'm going to buff this into my skin for a flawless skin. Contour using Starlooks Emphasize blush shade number CB52 Emphasize. This looks very dark in the pan, but you know, it's as if you follow my videos regularly, you know this is my favorite shade to contour with. So I'm just going to take that and I'm going to contour my cheekbones. My blush, I'm using the Dream Mousse Blush 40 Soft Plum by Maybelline. It's like a very soft, bright, like soft pink, and you know, it comes even more lovely on the skin. She has very minimal blush on, so I'm just going to take that and apply to my cheeks. Next, I'm going to take Starlooks Eyebrow Kit and I'm going to fill into my brows using Real Techniques eyebrow brush. So I'm just going to do that to get like eyebrows that, you know, kind of frame my face. The face look. Now I would do one of the eye and then I'll return to show you how to do the other eye. This eye look is very pretty and very wearable on its own. I'm going to be using pigments today. I got mine from a local store. You can get you can use any pigments that you want. There are many companies online which are selling pigments. So the first pigment that I'm going to be using is this one. I hope you can see it. It's like this nude shimmering. Make sure that whichever eyeshadow you use has shimmers in it, because Aishwarya's look had shimmers in it. So this is a beige, like nudish eyeshadow with lots and lots of shimmers, and I'm going to be using a brush by EcoTools. The brush is Petite Eye Shade, and you want to use good brushes with pigments because pigments have like epic fallouts and you don't want fallouts on, you know, your face. So I'm just going to use this to just run it all along my moving lid. The next shade that I'm going to be using is this one. It's like this chocolatey brown, and I'm going to be picking this up with the EcoTools highlighting brush, which is also like you know, kind of a blender brush for me. So I'm going to use that to put this directly into my crease and, you know, kind of make my eyes look deeper than they are. Next, I'm going to pick up that same shade with a smudge brush and I'm going to just run this shade along my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to line my eyes using Color Sense liquid liner. This is a matte liquid liner. You can use a gel liner if you want. I'm going to be using liquid because I'm more comfortable in liquid. And we're going to wing out our eye like very straight. It's not going to be upward but very straight because hers is like a very straight liner. And that's what suits my eye shape as well. So I'm just going to do that now. And the liner has to be like, you know, not thin, not thick, like in between, if you know what I mean. And that rhymes. Okay, so just let's do the liner now. Next I'm going to take color Icon Wet n Wild Kajal and I'm just going to very lightly run it on my waterline. She has like a very, you know, softly lined waterline. I'm going to skip false lashes because my last two looks have been with false lashes. So I'm just going to apply mascara. This is the Maybelline Hyper Curl. I'm just going to apply mascara because the focus anywho is the lips. So I'm just going to apply mascara. Our lips, she has like this pretty red pout on, so I'm going to be using a lip liner which is Avon Ultra Glimmer Stick in True Red. So I'm just gonna, this is like new, so I'm just gonna apply that onto my lips. I'm gonna fill in as well. Now the lipstick that she has on is very pretty. It is not matte, it is not glossy, like again it's in between. So I'm going to be using Oriflame's Pure Color lipstick in bright red, which looks like this because hers is a very warm toned red. So I'm just going to use this to just apply over my lip liner. Finish the makeup. Now I'm going to do my hair. So I slept like this. Yes, I did. As impossible that may seem, but I did. So I'm just going to open my hair. How I'm just going to unplug it and I'm just going to pull it through just like that and then throw it away. So I'm going to just do all of my hair. My hair looks so short. Oh, I like it somehow. But yeah, this is not the final look, don't worry guys. Just saying, my hair looks so short. Oh my god. And I kind of like it. Yeah. Anywho, coming back to the look, her and my hair differ on two things. First of all, the length, and second of all, I don't have any layers. But yes, you're just going to shake the curls up a bit because she has like loose, flowy, flouncy curls. I'm just gonna run through my hair. Run through matlab means. So I'm just gonna run through my fingers through my hair and loosen them up a bit. And with that, we finished the Aishwarya Rai 2014 Cannes inspired makeup and hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please rate, comment and subscribe. I will see you guys on Monday. Till then, take care. Bye.